Hi guys, I will quickly take you through the guided activity 5.2. So the activity looks as follows. We are asked to open the project largest underscore p, which is located in the largest number folder of the of chapter 5, and then we have to click on the event, the on-click event for the show largest number button. So I've already created it or opened it for us, and I've started coding some of the answers already. Now there's nothing to think about because in the guided activity they actually give you the code. I'm just going to take you through as I'm typing the rest of the code, just some thoughts that are important. So we have 3 local variables of integer data type. We call the procedure randomize to truly make them random. So obviously here's something missing. We have our random function missing, random. And I'm just going to copy that and add that in front of all of these. So what the random function does, it finds a number. So 86, I don't know why they had a mathematical calculation over there, but in the end, minus 34 and then plus 34 basically has the same result, except that all these numbers will now be either 33 and higher, because the number will be between 0 and whatever the result of this calculation is. Then we display all of these 3 random numbers, and now we have to check whether our numbers are the largest or not, or which number is the largest of those 3. So for our code, we have our if statement, if, and now we have our first condition. I number 1 is bigger or equal to I num 2, and let's write that like this, I num 2. That's our first condition. And now we're using an AND operator, so it's a compound Boolean expression. And our second condition, and you can see that these conditions are put into brackets so that the actual condition is completed first. So in this case, I num 1 is bigger or equal to I num 3. Then, so we have our first check. If I num is bigger than I num 2 and I num is bigger than 3, then we know, and we can say LBL largest will be I num 1. So dot caption colon equals, and because it's an integer, we have to convert it into string I num 1. And that will be our result. Now, if I num 2, and we do the same for I num 2 as well as I num 3. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm just going to change the values. And I can actually highlight the entire thing and copy that in there and do that. So if here I can say if I num 2 is bigger or equal than I num 1 and I num 2 is bigger or equal to I num 3, and then we display the second number as largest, and here we will say if I num 3 and I num 3 is bigger than I num, well, most probably let's start with I num 1 here and say I num 2 over there, and then the third one will be the largest. Just like that. And here we have our compound expressions with an AND operator. So both of them needs to be true for this code to be executed. So if number 1 is bigger than the second one and bigger than the third one, then it is the largest. If the second one, and so on, if the third one, and so on. All right, let's have a look. If we run this program, yay, no mistake. Okay, let's show the largest number. So we have 79. So the second number is the largest one. Let's press there again. So we have, we can now randomly select the numbers and it will always display the biggest number. Let's close this, save it, yes, and that's it for today. Thank you guys.